Hey, welcome back to SES.
Let's learn the names of 50 jobs in English. Teacher. This is a teacher. Teachers help children learn new things and grow every day. Doctor. This is a doctor. Doctors take care of sick people and help them get better. Nurse. This is a nurse. Nurses help doctors and take care of patients in the hospital. Engineer. This is an engineer. Engineers design and build things like machines, bridges, and buildings. Lawyer. This is a lawyer. Lawyers help people solve problems and understand the law. Police officer. This is a police officer. Police officers keep people safe and protect the community. Firefighter. This is a firefighter. Firefighters put out fires and rescue people in danger. Chef. This is a chef. Chefs cook delicious food in restaurants and hotels. Waiter. This is a waiter. They bring food and drinks to people in a restaurant. Accountant. This is an accountant. Accountants help keep track of money and make sure it is used correctly. Architect. This is an architect. Architects design houses, buildings, and bridges. Dentist. This is a dentist. Dentists take care of teeth and keep smiles healthy. Veterinarian. This is a veterinarian. Veterinarians help sick animals and keep them healthy. Pilot. This is a pilot. Pilots fly airplanes and take people to different places. Flight attendant. This is a flight attendant. They help passengers and keep everyone safe on the plane. Mechanic. This is a mechanic. Mechanics fix cars, trucks, and other machines. Electrician. This is an electrician. Electricians fix lights and wires, so electricity works safely in homes and buildings. Plumber. This is a plumber. Plumbers fix pipes and stop water leaks in homes and buildings. Carpenter. This is a carpenter. Carpenters build furniture, doors, and wooden houses. Construction worker. This is a construction worker. They build houses, roads, and tall buildings. Farmer. This is a farmer. Farmers grow food and take care of animals on the farm. Software developer. This is a software developer. They create computer programs, apps, and games. Writer. This is a writer. Writers tell stories and share ideas through books, blogs, or articles. Journalist. This is a journalist. Journalists find and share news to keep people informed. Librarian. This is a librarian. Librarians take care of books and help people find information. Pharmacist. This is a pharmacist. Pharmacists prepare and give medicine to help people feel better. Therapist. This is a therapist. Therapists help people talk about their feelings and solve problems. Psychologist. This is a psychologist. Psychologists study how people think and feel and help them with their emotions. Scientist. This is a scientist. Scientists study the world and make new discoveries. Secretary. This is a secretary. Secretaries help organize schedules and manage office work. Receptionist. This is a receptionist. Receptionists greet visitors and answer phone calls. Cashier. This is a cashier. Cashiers take payments and give change in stores. Judge. This is a judge. Judges listen to cases and make fair decisions in court. Paralegal. This is a paralegal. Paralegals help lawyers by preparing documents and doing research. Translator. This is a translator. Translators change words from one language into another. Artist. This is an artist. Artists paint, draw, or create beautiful works of art. Musician. This is a musician. Musicians play instruments or sing songs for people to enjoy. Actor. This is an actor. Actors play roles in movies, TV shows, or plays. Photographer. This is a photographer. Photographers take pictures of people, animals, and places. Hairdresser. This is a hairdresser. Hairdressers cut and style hair to make people look nice. Dancer. This is a dancer. Dancers move to music and perform on stage or in shows. Footballer. This is a footballer. Footballers play soccer and try to score goals for their team. Soldier. This is a soldier. Soldiers protect their country and keep people safe. Astronaut. This is an astronaut. Astronauts travel to space and explore the stars and planets. Politician. This is a politician. Politicians make decisions and create rules to help the community. Air traffic controller. This is an air traffic controller. They guide airplanes so they take off and land safely. Referee. This is a referee. Referees watch sports games and make sure everyone follows the rules. Security guard. This is a security guard. Security guards watch over places and keep people safe. Baker. This is a baker. Bakers make bread, cakes, and cookies for people to eat. Butcher. This is a butcher. Butchers cut meat and prepare it for cooking.